Hello students, so this is a new video on what is medical laboratory technology. So there are many students who are seeking admission in professional courses. So it is for them who want to pursue professional course in healthcare sector. So medical laboratory technology can be one important subject of choice, one course of choice which have huge employability and requirement in healthcare sector. Now, medical laboratory technology basically comprises of development or inculcation of skills in students which will help in determination of various kinds of diagnostic tests in the laboratory. Like in daily life, we have various kinds of disease, like infectious diseases are there, non-infectious genetic diseases are there, and many lifestyle disorders are there which require biochemical tests. So medical laboratory technology students, they basically are trained to do those tests in the laboratory. And like for example, if you have some particular problem, you have to give sample, right, for a diagnostic test. So medical laboratory technology students know how to collect sample, how to process the specimen, how to do the diagnostic test, how to infer the results of those diagnostic tests, right? And apart from it, the instrumentation part, that is how to handle the instrument to perform the diagnostic test in order to get the results, and after getting the results, how to interpret the results. So these are various sectors which are basically taught in this particular course. Now, if you go into the course of medical laboratory technology, it is basically a combination of, biochemistry, because they have to learn about biochemistry, histopathological examination, cytopathological examination is also there in medical laboratory technology. So I give you one example, right, which will tell you the importance of medical laboratory technology, like the test which is being done, this called as Papa-Nicolau staining, that is pap smear test, which is done for the cervical cancer, screening of the cervical cancer. So this is a part of your diagnostic cytology. So diagnostic cytology is also a particular course, a part of the curriculum. And then there is other aspects of medical laboratory technology which includes clinical microbiology, general microbiological tests, as well as molecular biological tests. So they are basically trained with all the different kinds of biochemical tests they have to do with high throughput instruments, and also they are also being able to learn about the microbiological aspect, like collection of the specimen, how to grow the organism in culture, how to identify the organism, how to do the antibiotic susceptibility test in laboratory, etc. Apart from it, they are also trained with the laboratory ethics and laboratory safety. So they also know various kinds of safety measures and protocols they have to take while they perform this kind of laboratory tests. So medical laboratory technology is having a huge prospects in the field of healthcare. Like in any kind of diagnostic laboratory, medical laboratory technologist is a must. Even nowadays, they are basically trained with quality control and quality assurance part. So even in various industries, pharmaceutical industries, various kinds of biopharmaceutical industry, where quality control is one of the very, very important aspect, there also medical laboratory technology have got importance, have provided their importance. Apart from it, medical laboratory technologists are also required in various kinds of laboratories, like research laboratories. Like for example, in an in vitro fertilization clinic, if you want to handle a high throughput instrument, or if you want to collect a specimen, process a specimen, transport a specimen, so all these things are basically taught in medical laboratory technology. And so in most of the healthcare system, whether it is a pathological laboratory, whether it's a hospital, medical laboratory technologist is a must. And so this particular subject is of huge importance nowadays in healthcare system. Thank you.